Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about how to overcome poverty forever. In this world, we see that there's so many things that promote the power of poverty. But poverty is the root of all evil. You might be thinking, Daniel, I don't understand what that means. Well, it could be as simple as seeing graffiti on the wall. It might be as simple as seeing grass overgrown with weeds. It might be as simple as a billboard that's torn down halfway. It might be a number of things, but all I'm saying is that poverty is the root of all evil. Because in God's kingdom, we're meant to be rich. If you read the scriptures, you will know that Jesus Christ became poor so that we can become wealthy. He gave up his whole life so we can receive eternity. But before we receive eternity in heaven, many of us have to produce prosperity on earth. And what this means is that you have to get into the habit of practicing denial. In other words, whenever you're seeing poor things happening around you, you have to act as if it doesn't exist. Now, this doesn't mean that you deny it and don't know that it's happening. That's far from what I'm saying. Because in the word, it says you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. However, what I'm saying is that if poverty walks up to you and tries to make you feel guilty, you don't have to accept that guilt as your truth. What you need to do is to transmute. You need to know that yes, it does exist, but there's not much you can do right now for everyone else in the world. But you can trust in God to help you to develop who He needs you to be right now. For example, when I decided to start my journey of success, I realized that there were many broken systems. Broken systems like our infrastructure, like how the roads are built and how cities are established. Or even the educational system, how teachers work and how they're paid and what we have to read in school. Or other broken systems like taxes and government. There are so many things that lead to poverty. But there's also many things that lead to prosperity. And instead of paying attention to all the things that are going wrong, we have to focus on all the things that are going strong. Instead of dwelling on the things that we cannot change in our society, we have to focus on the things that we can change within our lives. And so that's what I'm saying. You must deny certain things that happen. If you see a sick person that looks like they're trying to die and they're trying to make you feel guilty, you don't absorb it all and feel it for yourself. No, you reject that and you know that that person is meant to be healed. Sometimes they choose not to be healed, or God chooses to put them in that situation so you can see it, so you can do something about it. But it doesn't mean that you have to fall into the trap of fear and despair. Instead, you need to know that you can make a change right now and right here. Now you might be thinking, Daniel, that's shallow, man. If someone's standing there and they look like a zombie, maybe I can help them. And you're right, you can help them. But if you take your time trying to help every single broken person in this world, then you're not going to have time to do God's greater work. Now there's people who are built to help others who need their help, right? If you know that you're someone like a medical professional who can heal someone that's sick and broken in that way right now, then go ahead and do it. But what I'm talking about are people that are chosen by God to do something big. If you have a vision and a mission and you know that you have a calling that's greater than yourself and greater than that which you see in front of you, then you don't have time to dwell on the little things. You don't have time to deal with that small issue that you see right in front of you because you know that that problem exists within the whole entire world. Because you're thinking big. And that's all I'm saying, my friends. You can think small and try to solve all the little opportunities that you see along the way. Or you could think big and focus on the path that God wants to take you along the way. All I'm saying is that you have the chance to reject poverty in all its forms. If people are telling negative stories or using bad jokes, you can say, you know what, I'm not a part of that. You can hear them out. If you can't escape them, you just listen. but you know you're not accepting that into your subconscious mind. You're not allowing this to penetrate your spiritual aura because you're focused on a picture that's much bigger. So whatever you do moving forward, make sure to deny negative people, negative things, and negative experiences. Take them for what they are and understand what they mean in your life right now so that you can carry that seed of greatness into the future. So whenever you see negative things, negative people, negative circumstances, be a student. Take in the wisdom. Understand what it is. But don't allow it to affect you. Don't allow it to steal your energy. Don't allow it to kill your spirit. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. If you're a person of prosperity, then remove all things of poverty out of your way. That means there should be no more cracked screens on your smartphone, no maxed out credit cards, no empty gas tanks. Fill up every single area of your house with prosperity, and I promise you, you will be able to see the blessings here and now and until eternity. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to everything you do for God and here on earth in humanity. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.